Hello and welcome back to Market Pulse for Frankston South. My name is Josh from Merchant Realty. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. You know the drill. We're going to jump into the last 7 days of activity in the Frankston South market. What's been happening? Well, there were 8 sales, 3 of which were last week and 5 have rolled over. Being under offer must have been under some conditions. Now they have marked as sold, which is fantastic for those owners and those buyers. There's been 8 new properties come on the market as well. So a lot of consistency we're seeing. 8 sales for 8 listings. It's good to see. 100 properties are still available. We're going to jump straight into the 2-bedroom properties that have sold. So there was 2 at 5 Colcan, the apartment complex on the corner there. There was a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom selling for $420,000. In the 3 bedrooms, we had 3 at 11 Tower Hill Road. That was a 3-bed, 1-bath, 1 car set on 249 square meters, selling for $603,000. No surprise, there's a lot of investors, first-home buyers buying in under that $750,000 mark. So if you can get in, there's a lot of people jumping on those sorts of properties. Then you had 39 Fleetwood Crescent. That was a 3-bed, 2-bath, 3-car. Set on 1,152 square meters of land. Did go to auction, didn't sell at auction, sold after it, a little bit after, selling for $1,030,000. In the 4 bedrooms, you had 14 Manor Drive, a property on the corner of Manor Drive and Kensington Avenue in the Tarney Lodge Estate. That was a 4-bed, 2-bath, 5-car, 674 square meter block of land, selling for $1.375 million. That did sell back in January, was under offer for a bit of time, now has been marked as sold. Sometimes it can be a bit of a tactic. The agent holds that under offer back, but it might have been a condition holding it back. You just never know. It could have been a finance clause subject to sale. Who knows? 61 Fleetwood Crescent was a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car, 1,065 square meter block. They had that one under offer for a little bit of time, but that has been marked as sold for $1.7 million. That was a beautiful property. No surprise with that one. 11 Ajana Lane. Talk about holding out for your price. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 4-car, 3,169 square meters of land. Beautiful pool, beautiful area just off Sybil Avenue there, selling for $2.6 million. 19 Pratt Avenue. 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 2 cars, 758 square meters of land. Did not disclose their price. Did sell. If you want to know more, feel free to reach out to me. 8 Buckingham Place, also a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2 car, 651. Beautiful property there. Didn't disclose their sale price as well. Guys, the volume of sales has dropped off a little bit. So this time last year, there were 70 sales. Right now, we are sitting at 55 for the year. So it definitely has dropped off a little bit. No surprises, people have held back. Has been a bit slower, but prices have held. I feel like over the last year, prices have increased and moved on up, which is great to see for the area. In terms of the market, what's happening? 8 new listings came on. 100 properties are available, of which 7 are under offer. 55 properties have sold. I'm actually just going to grab this little thing up for you guys so you can see. So right there, you've got the graph. Now, there's a lot of properties that have, if you can look to my right, I always point in the wrong direction, guys. I'm sorry for that. 27. So obviously, I've got 44 sales results there. So 44 have disclosed their sale price. So we're going to put them into the stats. I'm not going to put the other 11 in. I do think that's a bit unfair. And if you do want to know what the other 11 were or where they sold, what they were, and there's contact agent on the listing, feel free to give us a call. Can try and verbally let you know where it did sell. You can see there's a lot of activity under that 125. So 27 out of the 44 have sold under that $1.25 million range. So there's a lot of demand, a lot of activity movement. Surprising factor is there's only been a few sales in the 125 to 1.5, but there's a lot more happening over that $1.5 to $2 million range. So it's good to see. No surprise, quality properties are selling really well. So anything that's turnkey, larger lots are going really well. And they are realestate.com, the big behemoth they are. They did release the median house price value by specific pockets in Frankston South, and there was no surprise. The larger lots on Rosedale, Sybil, they're the places that people want to be. They're the places that people are going to spend a lot of money for the land that they're going to get and the value of the property they're going to get. But also beachside, being up on the Fleetwood Crescent, up near Norman Avenue, people are spending a good dollar up there as well. So anything turnkey, moving very, very well. But stock, is turning over, but there is now starting to be a lot more stock on the market. So 100 properties, of which 38 of them have come on in the last 30 days. There's been a lot of stock moving, but a lot of stock is coming on, and 68 of those homes did come on over the last 90 days. So there's still some properties sitting on the market. Now, if you are a seller, you are thinking about selling. It's been one of those situations where you've worked your entire life, you've done absolutely everything. Our agency at Merchant Realty, we're more from a quality perspective, not a quantity. Our business is built on collaboration, not competition. So we aren't in competition. When you get dad, you get me, you get mum, you also get Ray. So we work as a collective. We make sure we have very good processes in place, and we make sure the quality represents your home. Every little touch point. We've created a very good ecosystem inside our business. So we've got the best in class. We make sure the good photographers, great stylists, all those people work in as a collective, and we trust our suppliers as best we can. And we are a tight-knit, effective unit. And it does bring me to a question I always seem to get asked. How is it working with your mum and dad? Can be challenging. I'm not going to denote this. It can be very, very challenging, but it's very rewarding. We're very loyal to one another, and we keep each other to a very high standard. And that is reflected in a lot of our sales results. I did go through over the last few videos, our last 20 sales, we've had 13 sell above the range, and every other sale has landed inside the advertised price guide. Majority of them at the top, but I'm not going to go and gloat and bounce on about that sort of stuff. We just want to make sure that we do the best for our clients and get them the best result and move them on to their next journey, because it's a very important decision you're about to make when it comes to selling, and getting the wrong advice and overlisting and overshooting the market. Right now in this very, very market we're in, sales volume has dropped down, but prices are maintaining. Your price alignment needs to be realistic. Making sure you're getting the right marketing, right price, and making sure you got the right team behind you is super important. So guys, if you have any questions, want to get to know a bit about our strategy and how we can help you, whether or not you're buying or selling, feel free to reach out. Footy did just start. It'll be interesting to see where the Bombers end up. I'm very nervous for our Hawthorn game this week after seeing what they did. Who would have tipped Hawthorn? Well, I did. So it was a good result. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you're having a fabulous day. And sign off now.